What is the power of visualization? Well, this is what the law of attraction is all about. Visualization is the process of using your subconscious mind to attract whatever it is you desire to experience in your life. Many people underestimate the power of positive thinking and the law of attraction. Positive thinking and visualizing are a huge step you can take towards attaining your goals. Many successful individuals all over the world have used visualization effectively to achieve their goals. They are successful because they understand how to use their subconscious minds effectively. You must be dedicated and you must have a strong desire to achieve your goals. Visualization is the process of seeing your goals in your life in all their perfect glory. To visualize these goals requires that you develop a positive mindset. With a positive mindset comes an appropriate level of imagination so that you can visualize all the things you desire to achieve in your life. One of the most effective visualization techniques is called the mental rehearsal of your desired outcome. This is usually done while sitting comfortably in a quiet place and you're not in a trance. You simply observe your thoughts as you observe the activity in your dream life, picking out and noting the most common elements between your reality and your desired reality. When you are doing your mental rehearsal, you need to focus on the activities that you already perform daily. For example, if your goal is to lose 100 pounds, you should identify the foods you eat every day and write down the calories for each food. This way, when you do your visualization exercises, you are focusing on the foods you are eating and the calories involved. You should then replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations such as "I will become slimmer," "I will lose weight," and so on. Another great visualization technique for manifesting goals is to write down or type out phrases that describe the steps required to manifest your goals. It is recommended that you choose affirmations that are closely related to your dreams. For example, if you want to lose weight, you could write down phrases such as "I will gradually lose weight" and "I will start exercising more often." Having close ties to your goals also increases the chances of manifesting them because you will be able to consciously remember and think about them. The power of visualization also has a great impact when it comes to creating new positive daily rituals. If you are thinking about a project, you can visualize yourself working on it. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to bring into your life whatever it is you wish for. When you use the visualization techniques, you are taking control of that wish or intention and bringing it into your physical reality. Many people have used the technique of visualization to help them realize their dreams. By imagining themselves living their dreams, they can make it real. They visualize themselves achieving their dreams and then keep repeating that thought over and over in their heads until their dreams become a reality. The visualization process. Create your desired outcome with the right visualization attraction technique. Here is the visualization process in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to start slow. Begin by thinking of small daily attainable goals. Stay focused, don't lose hope, and keep moving forward. Step 2 is to be consistent. Do it every single day. Step 3 is the ideation. Visualize without restraining yourself. Think of all the things you want to accomplish and how are you going to accomplish them. Dream big. For more awesome content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like, comment, and share.